Well, hey guys, and welcome. Today I'm over at the Everything Pop Shopping and Dining Store. So this is actually the gift store and shop located over at the Pop Century Resort. And as you guys can see, as you walk in, it's all set up for Halloween right now. And you've got on the right-hand side is kind of like a little bit of a general store slash gift store slash souvenirs, I guess. So it's a little bit of everything in there. You've got cakes and sodas and stuff like that, like every little general store has. You've got a lot of candies and stuff in the back over in this section here. You've got your mugs and stuff like that floating on the back wall. Usually they have a section of mugs and cups because everybody likes to collect them and bring them home. So the usual stuff, you got your candies, and then it starts into a little bit of gift items. Now on the other side of this store is actually the gift shop, and we're gonna head on over there now. To the right, as you guys are walking through, if you guys can peek over to the right there, that's actually where you're going to go into the cafeteria section. So that's where you're going to eat. And both the Art of Animation and the Pop Century Resort have these guys. They're very similar, kind of like floor plans, but different theming. But they're both really nice cafeterias to eat at if you get a chance to come over here. But this is their gift shop area right now. If you guys are coming over and not looking at this anytime soon, this is the merch they have right now out for the public. I like the retro Pop Century shirts and stuff, seeing a lot of that. They've got a lot of cool apparel here that's just for Pop Century. Hello! And then you've got your luggage as always. Some gift items. You've got your backpacks back there. I always check them out. I didn't think anything interesting. You've got the 100-year anniversary hat. That's one I'm actually looking into. So there's your dolls right there. You got doll sections, toys. The same pretty much as every other gift store out there, except when you go to each one of these resorts, they all are, what they carry for merchandise may be slightly different than the other one you went to before it. So the Art of Animation will have very similar items, but not necessarily the same. So if you're not actually coming over here and visiting this section, you're not going to see this stuff. You'll see maybe 1 or 2 items, maybe 50 items. But if you're looking for one item like that yellow shirt right there, that's an awesome shirt. You've got the Goofy, the Mickey Mouse, have a nice day, and on the back of the shirt, the actual logo to the resort. That's the stuff that I look for. So if you guys are collectors and stuff like that, that weird, unique stuff, that's what you're trying to get your hands on, and the stuff that you're going to be the happiest wearing around. Because most people are going to come up to you and ask where you got that item from. So if you're in the park, I've gotten shirts and I've got sweatshirts about 20 years ago, and people still coming up to me, where'd you buy that? I want to go get that. And I do the same thing to other people. I see a hat, I got to find out where they got it. Most of the time you're finding out people bought it online through like Amazon, eBay, something like that. Do be mindful when you guys are buying stuff on eBay and stuff like that. Return policies, if you get something that's lousy, and I did buy a hat recently that I was happy with, I found something very rare, I got it and it was just garbage. I went to send it back, and out of like the $19, I got $8 and change back, because they have like a no return policy or something like that. So you're better off just buying it at Disney World. You're going to support these local people that sell that stuff on eBay, and they don't care if it doesn't fit, so you're going to get ripped off. So, and eBay isn't going to help you guys. So my advice would be, if you're going to buy something, buy it on Amazon or buy it in Disney. That way you got a good return. But this is the Everything Pop gift store, guys. See you on the next one.